Let's talk about how blackness became linked to criminality. It wasn't always this way, and it's not some natural truth. It was deliberately created and reinforced over time. During slavery, enslaved Africans were viewed as property, but there was constant fear among enslavers about rebellion. To justify brutal control, they spread the idea that black people were naturally dangerous, untrustworthy, and needed to be closely monitored. This false narrative didn't disappear when slavery was abolished. Instead, it took on new forms. After emancipation, southern states passed black codes, which made it illegal for black people to do things like be unemployed, or gather in groups, or even walk outside after dark. These laws weren't about public safety, they were about keeping black people up under control. And once arrested, they were forced into convict leasing, a system where prisons rented out black men to plantations, railroad, and mines. In other words, slavery was replaced with mass incarceration. During Jim Crow era, these ideas were reinforced in the media. Films like Birth of a Nation portrayed black men as violent and predatory, fueling white fears and justifying racist laws. At the same time, black communities were over policed while white violence like lynchings was ignored. The association between blackness and criminality was no accident. It was a tool used to maintain racial hierarchies. This isn't something that's way in the past or it was just history. The same patterns exist today. And studies show that black people are more likely to be stopped, searched, and arrested than white people for the exact same actions. The war on drugs targeted black communities, leading to mass incarceration. And in the media, the language used to describe black victims of violence often suggests that they were at fault, while white perpetrators are given more sympathetic portrayals. The criminalization of blackness has been built into laws, policies, and cultural narratives for centuries now. It continues to shape policing, sentencing, and even public perception, but just like it was created, it can be challenged. The first step is recognizing that these ideas aren't just outdated, they're still influencing the world we live in today.